Okay, I don't generally vlog like this around my own backyard or around my own neighborhood, but today is something special. Special in the sense, you know, many of you guys tell me that I inspire you to go on long rides a lot and so on, but then many people like you also inspire me to go out on long rides, to explore the unexplored, to take international rides and so on. So today I'm going to meet one of my subscribers, Kati Ravan, who has come all the way from Malaysia. So I was in touch with him for a long time. He was also in touch with me, taking guidance about the various places here in India. So today I'm just going to meet him, get inspired from him, because he is around 50 years old and he is doing this whole ride from Malaysia to India and around solo. He is alone, there's no one else with him. So I did give him a hotel near my place and he's right there now, Hotel Tribo Ritu IV. So that's where I'm going currently. Okay, so here it is, Tribo Select Ritu IV, and here's where I'm going to meet him. Okay, so I am finally at Tribo Select. So here he is, Kati Ravan.
Hi.
Okay, and that is his BMW 1200 GS, the best adventure motorcycle, as you all know. So yeah, he has been riding for how many kilometers, Kati Ravan?
For 16,000 kilometers.
So he has done 16,000 kilometers alone till now, from Malaysia all the way across India, around India, Leh, Ladakh and everything. He went to South India, as I told you, in every place. And now he's in Kolkata. From here he will be going towards Siliguri, right, tomorrow?
Yes.
So Siliguri, and then via Northeast India he will again leave via the Moreh border.
Moreh, yeah.
Via Moreh.
Manipur.
Via Manipur and via Moreh.
Yes.
Via Moreh, so he will be leaving India. How did you like India so far?
Wow, beautiful. This is not the first time I'm visiting India. This is since from 1988 until this year 2018. Already 40 times I've been visited in India.
Right.
I love it, India, because wonderful people, very helpful, and wherever I go, there are people all asking, they are all asking, very nice people. The food I am enjoy. Wherever I go, they're very helpful.
Right.
They ask me, even though I park my bike at the side there's somebody come, can I help you? What do you need?
Okay.
Anything do you need?
Right.
Even though the car in what they call.
So you know, there is one interesting fact that I must tell you, and that this thing should inspire you guys as well. That is, he is around 50 years old.
I'm 57 years old.
57 years old. Come on, man. He inspires us to do this thing. आज भी जब हम लोग जाते हैं बहुत सारी जगहों पे, लोग पूछते हैं कि क्या हम ये कर पाएंगे, तो 57 year old पे अगर एक बंदा मलेशिया से सोलो मोटरसाइकिल लेके इंडिया पूरा घूम के फिर अपना कंट्री वापस जा रहे हैं, तो हम क्यों नहीं कर पाएंगे इसको? So that's about it, Kati Ravan. We'll just go around Kolkata and then take Kati Ravan to some of the nice places around here. Let's do that. So I'll just pick up my wife because she also wants to come along and roam around. So firstly we are going towards Howrah Bridge, just right there, and then I don't know, let's see. Even I'm not sure of the plan. We'll just roam around the city and the good roads probably. Okay, now we will just ride across the bridge to that side and again come back via Vidyasagar Setu. That is another bridge. Okay. Okay, so this is one of the good places in Kolkata from where you can get a nice view of the Howrah Bridge. तो यहाँ पे घाट पे थोड़ी देर के लिए रुके थे। ये हावड़ा ब्रिज की बहुत ही अच्छी नज़ारा यहाँ से मिल जाता है। नाउ वी विल गो टुवर्ड्स प्रिंसेप घाट एंड देन बैक टू माय होम। धूप काफ़ी है तो ज़्यादा देर घूमने का कोई मतलब नहीं बनता। एंड कटिरावन इज ऑल्सो वेरी टायर्ड, सो he also does not want to roam much, just see some of the good places quickly and then take some rest. रेगुलर दर्शकों को तो मैं हर वक्त घुमाता रहता हूँ प्रिंसेप घाट के बारे में हर वक्त बताता रहता हूँ जब भी मैं कोलकाता छोड़ता हूँ। तो अगर मेरा कोई सब्सक्राइबर कोलकाता आता है मलेशिया से इतनी दूर से, तो बिना प्रिंसेप घाट दिखाए कैसे मैं उसको छोड़ दूँ यार? After marriage, this is the first time we're coming here?
Yes.
Okay, but when we met for the first time, I guess I took you here for the first time. Okay, so we are here at the प्रिंसेप घाट। मतलब मेरे सब्सक्राइबर्स को इतना बार मैं प्रिंसेप घाट के बारे में बोलता रहता हूँ। दैट इज़ अ प्लेस। वो ऊपर आप ब्रिज देख रहे हो, तो वही ब्रिज से whenever I move out of Kolkata, at that time I tell you that just beneath this bridge is the Prinsep Ghat, which is the best part of Kolkata. So right now we are here and as always सबको बोलता रहता हूँ को कटिरावन को क्यों ना लाते हैं यहाँ पे। इवनिंग के टाइम पे और बहुत ही शानदार दिखता है, बहुत ही खूबसूरत दिखता है प्रिंसेप घाट। लेकिन फिर घर जाना, फिर वापस आना, एंड कटी also does not have that much of time, so that's why I thought why not cover the Prinsep Ghat now. Done with Prinsep Ghat and now a quick visit to Victoria Memorial. अंदर नहीं जाएंगे, just बाहर से एक दो फोटो and that's about it. We'll head home for lunch. तो इस जगह से कोलकाता की काफ़ी शानदार व्यू दिखता है। यहाँ पे एटमॉस्फेयर बिल्डिंग, साइंस सिटी एंड दैट साइड यू कैन सी द सॉल्ट लेक एंड ऑल। तो ये वाला व्यू बहुत ही मस्त है। दैट्स व्हाई वी वेटेड हियर फॉर जस्ट अ फ्यू सेकंड्स एंड नाउ वी आर रोलिंग बैक होम फॉर लंच। टाइम तो अभी करीबन 2 बज चुका है एंड एवरीवन इज हंग्री, सो लेट्स we're picking up where we left, off and on again. We never quite could forget, 'cause what we got so intense. क्या आपको पता है इस मोटरसाइकिल पे कोई बैठा है? दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, ध्यान से देखिए। It's such a huge beast, man. It's such a huge beast. Nice. Okay, and I'm back to my friendly old 200cc and I'm happy with that. By God, putting my feet down on that hefty BMW 1200cc was such a humongous task. I could not even move that motorcycle, let alone riding it. Seriously guys, when I had my helmet camera on while riding the BMW 1200, I could not speak properly because inside my heart was beating so fast. I could not speak at all, in fact. The only major reason being that when the bike is moving, riding it is very easy. You just don't feel the weight at all. But when you stop the bike, try to move the handle. Or the basic problem is that it's too high for me. It's extremely high for me. I mean, Katiravan is 5'11" and I am 5'7", so that creates a big problem. I can just barely put my toes on the ground, both sides. And when you're riding such a heavy bike, you need to have all your muscle power on the ground, so that in case of a situation I'm dropping this bike, oh my god, it's out of question. I won't ever do it. So I was riding it extra cautiously just to taste how it feels like. It felt godly, but no, that thing, gods are not for me. Let's put it that way. Anyways, right now we are going to the Kalighat Mandir. Katiravan wants to go there, and then we'll go towards the Bypass Dhaba. He really loved that place. Well, he is a religious man and he did enjoy it. अभी हम लोग बाईपास ढाबा जा रहे हैं और यार भी की कुछ भाइयों के साथ थोड़ा बहुत गपशप, बस यही है. That's how the day ends.
We're bringing this back to life.
So Kati met our friends from URB. So Kati, how was the evening for you?
Oh, evening very good. I meet all the new friends. Very friendly. I'm really happy. All very friendly. That we share some ideas. They ask me a lot of questions about my trip.
Yeah,
I am
right.
able to answer. So some also talking about the 7 gears.
No, this is the 7th gear guy, just behind me. This is the guy
good,
with
good.
KTM Duke 390 and 7th
Very
gear.
friendly. Yeah, I'm
Very
happy.
friendly.
Yes, really enjoy today.
Okay, so right now it's time to bid Kati Ravan goodbye. Tomorrow morning he will leave for Siliguri, back for his return journey towards Malaysia. So Kati Ravan, it was wonderful meeting you. I really loved spending time with you, listening to your experiences. I hope you all have been inspired by your journeys coming solo across this place. So that's about it, guys. If you like this video, if you want to get in touch with Kati Ravan, his Facebook profile link will be in the description below. So if in any case you have some questions, you can directly ask him. And that's about it, guys. I hope you like this video. And Kati Ravan, thanks for coming to Kolkata and being with us.
Yeah, I also like to thanks to you that so far to your parents and then your wife and then especially your friends that went to temple. Really take care of me. Today I'm so far past few days I riding so many kilometers, but today I'm really enjoy, really relaxing. And then very enjoy.
That's good. That's good. I also love the time wholeheartedly with you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. Okay. That's about it, guys. I'll just end the vlog right here, right now.
Bye.